January the 16th, 2019. Guys, you're looking at a JPL model base, and you got the sun in the center, Venus, Earth, Mars, Mercury, and it's showing an asteroid that's technically listed as a minor planet in the Minor Planet Index because it's very large. And it's called 6478 Gault. It's part of a family of asteroids. We'll look at that in a moment. But it was originally called 1988 JC1 because that was the year it and the group of asteroids that it travels with was discovered. Now, something has happened. Let me back this out just a moment. Guys, if you take a look here at the bottom, this is important. The last orbit used was 2017 on November 28th, which happens to be my birthday, by the way. Solution date, December 7th, 2017. So they haven't dealt with changing the model or adapting anything for over a year now. Let's pull it back up and let me back this thing out. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. You see Mars here and Jupiter. Now, 6478 Gault orbits in its outer orbit into the asteroid belt. It was part of the asteroid belt itself, it and its family of asteroids. Now, its closest approach at this point in 2017, or the last, this is current as far as if it had proceeded on the same model that it was in 2017. It's today's date, if you'll notice here, 2019, January 16th. But they have not updated it because now it has collided with something else in the asteroid belt. It's moving so fast that it's developed a comet-like tail. Again, this is normal orbit, and if we turn this thing sideways, you can see even it's a close approach to the orbit of Mars. At that point, it's well above it. It's not on the ecliptic like this. Now, we've kind of got all the planets very close. They're not exactly in the same ecliptic, but you can see Gault drops and rises over that ecliptic in its orbit. Now, what has happened, we'll take a look at some of the pictures. Again, it has hit something in the asteroid belt. We don't have the updated modeling on which direction it's going, but all of the astronomers around the planet that control the big telescopes have been told to watch this. Now, this is the latest images, and it's got they're saying a 400,000 kilometer long tail. That's the object here. I'm not sure what the bottom object is. It's coming in this angle, but this is what it looks like at this time. This is coming, it's a photograph from the UK from a 20-inch telescope, and they're saying that asteroid Gault is a member of the Phocaea family, a swarm of rocks in the inner asteroid belt that formed as a result of an inter-asteroid collision some 2.2 billion years ago. The family gets its name from its most massive survivor, 25 Phocaea, which is about 75 kilometers in diameter. Gault's tail may be a result of a recent collision. Researchers with the Atlas Project had looked at images of Gault in December 2018 and January 2019, that's now, and they're thinking that this tail, which is huge, you think about the length of it, is from debris from the collision. It goes on to say that Gault was discovered in 1988 by the famous astronomer couple, Carolyn and Eugene Shoemaker, at the Palomar Observatory in California. For the next 30 years, the 4-kilometer-wide space rock did little to attract attention. Now, astronomers around the world are eagerly monitoring Gault to see what happens next, saying, "Stay tuned." Show you a couple still shots. Now, this is some of the images coming in. This is from Paola Bacca on January 12th, 2019 in Italy. And you can see that very prominently has a tail now. And the only thing they can think of, collision, debris trail 400 kilometers long. Think about a 4-kilometer size rock. And technically that would be 2.48 miles. So you can say a 2.5 mile size rock. It's the book of Job in chapter 38. Guys, I just have to mention this because after 36 chapters of God listening to Job's friends tell him how bad he was, and Job really hadn't done anything. Remember, he was losing everything, was sick, had diseases, Lost everything, family, everything. After 36 chapters, God was kind of sick of it, and he stepped down and he said, Job, quit listening to these fools. And this is in chapter 38. He says, Has thou entered into the treasures of the snow? He's asking him these questions because Job has been listening to these nitwits, probably Kenites, for 36 chapters. He says, Hast thou entered into the treasures of the snow, or hast thou seen the treasures of the hail, which I have reserved against the time of trouble, against the day of battle and war? What day is that? There's only one day. That's the day of the Lord, and that is going to be a bad day. That is the wrath, okay? But that's what this reminds me of. Now, I'm not saying it is, but it always helps to keep in mind that of all the technology that man has, the telescopes and everything, suddenly something can appear out of nowhere, just like the asteroid in Chereblink's Russia. Nobody knew that thing was coming. There's a lot of destruction. This thing is much bigger. I'm not saying it's coming yet. They have not said where the new orbit is taking it. But the old orbit that I showed you at the beginning of the video is 2017, guys. Now they know it's changed course. They know that the tail is on a debris trail from the collision. We're watching it, guys. We don't know where it's going. I just wanted to point this video out. It's a heads up. Be safe.